Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, we learn that how we can add material to the objects in Blender. For adding material, uh, we also learn that how we can add material in edit mode or add material in object mode. So let's start. When we open default Blender, we have three objects: camera, cube, light. We delete camera and light. For material, we enter into shading mode, and from properties panel we enter into the material properties. In material properties, we find that base color, and when we change the color is changing in the object, but we cannot add different material to the single object in object mode. In object mode, we can only add one material to a single object. But if I want to add different material to the different faces of this cube, then we should enter into the edit mode, select face selection mode, and then select the face. First we assign this material to this object. After assigning green material, I add another material and then change material and then assign, and then select this face, add another material and then select material and then assign. Similar way, we can add another material and change material and then assign. By this method, we can assign different material to the single object, but when you want to add material in object mode, you can assign only single material to the entire object. If we want to add material to the different faces of the object, then we should enter into the edit mode and add new material and then assign material to the each face as you want. Uh, we can also add material from an asset browser. I have an asset browser. Select material. I download these all material from a Blender Kit add-on, which is very useful and free source of material, models and different objects. First I delete this cube, press Shift A, enter another cube. From this asset browser, I select and drag this material to this cube. Beautiful. We can add this material from the asset browser. We can also change the material as you want. I have many material like ceramic material and beautiful. We can also change the shape of this material. We can uh, increase or decrease these shapes. For that purpose, we enter into the shader editor, and here we select mapping. From mapping, I choose scale. From here, we can change the shape of the material. Beautiful. Then back to the asset browser. We can also change material to the object. So it is very easy for Blender, from where we create a asset browser, and we place all our material into the asset browser. I have many material which I downloaded from Blender Kit and add into the asset browser. How we can create asset browser? I make another separate video for this. In this video we just learn that how we can add material from assets library and add material to a single object in edit mode. Thank you for watching.